What role can steam boilers play in the baking industry? Assisted fermentation. Steam generator can provide stable ambient temperature, help natural fermentation, and achieve better baking effect. During the baking process, it can provide stable and efficient steam to ensure optimal temperature and humidity inside the oven. When baking the finished product, when the steam generated by the steam generator heats up, it releases fine water molecules, making the texture of the food softer, the moisture more abundant, and the taste better.